Sometimes the most unforgettable moments in Africa aren't the dangerous ones, they're the quiet ones. I'm Joe Murray, a wildlife artist from Zululand, South Africa. When you look at this painting, your eyes are naturally drawn to the movement of the birds. But as an artist, the true magic often begins in the quiet places of the canvas, the background. Late afternoons, the African sky would undergo a breathtaking transformation. The harsh midday sun would soften into a rich, molten gold, casting a warm haze over the distant tree line. In this video, I wanted to show you how I blended those soft layers of orange, yellow, and violet to recreate that exact humid atmosphere. The background isn't just a setting, it establishes the mood, it captures that peaceful, cooling transition of the African bush when the day's heat finally breaks. As the sun dipped low, a familiar sound would pierce the silence. The unmistakable whistling call of the white-faced whistling ducks. They were heading home after a long day. I wanted to share it with you and invite you right to the water's edge with me to feel the calm and serenity of an African sunset.